Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a shark. The first step we're going to take is a big, giant rainbow, or an upside-down U. That's going to be its mouth. Now we're going to keep going up, 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 hit the top. It's kind of curved. Same thing on the other side. Up, 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 and then try to make it kind of rounded at the top. Now this shark is kind of looking at us, so we're going to draw an eye for a little circle on the left and right. Now let's start with the teeth. It's just kind of like a upside down tooth, so a U, and I'm going to keep following this little pattern, making little bumps all the way around. A couple more bumps. When you get used to it, you can kind of go a little faster. They don't all need to be even. Just kind of whatever you decide. Maybe some teeth are bigger than others. Maybe the bumps go all the way into its mouth. Whatever your shark is. Now let's start by bringing that line all the way across. Make a little bump. Finish the bottom of its jaw. Got those sharp teeth. You can even make them more pointy than mine. Mine are kind of curved. For the eye, just draw a circle. And then you'll fill it in. You can kind of round it out like I am. Fill it all the way in with black. Same thing on the other side, draw a circle. And then go ahead and fill it all in. If you wanted to make it a girl shark, you can just add like 2 little lines for eyelashes or 3 little lines. Maybe put a bow on it. It's whatever your shark is. It's fine with me. Looks good. Now let's start coloring it in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!